kick those on, y'all. Don't mess with me. Alright, now I'm for the morph, y'all. I'm regular Ron, regular RJ Productions, but I'm about to morph. Check it out. Alright guys, I got the heated gear. Like y'all know, we're finna go to All Makes cycle and get the cam on the VVTs, the VVT cams. And so Ray and I, but it's cold, it's like 34 degrees right now. And we got about a 2-hour ride. So anyway, I got some Amazon special heated gear. That's all battery powered, so I'm gonna give you guys a review on it. So these goes on the glove, this one goes on the pants, and then this is for the jacket. So if you look right here, they pretty much have a little light to let you know, the little dot lights to let you know that they charge. None of them, they all came with the wire, but only this one with the jacket actually came with the power brick. But it's got a meter on it also, where it just tells you 100%. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get these hooked up, get these on so you guys can see kind of what I'm working with. So I'm gonna start out right here with these pants. Ray trying the gloves to see how they feel. But these are the pants. I need to take the tag off. Again, I'll put the links in the description. So anyway, I got them 3X just because I wanted to make sure they were gonna fit over my clothes, boots, all that stuff. So here's the battery. It's got a little pocket right here on the side. So now right here you see it's powered up.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You're gonna get down radio and pull over and be like, I'm hot.
But look, you can hit the corners. You can hit the corners and change the temps on the zones.
Oh yeah, that's how this vest is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is the jacket. The jacket is a lot thinner, but I like that for a reason. Again, because I'm gonna put my leather jacket on over this. Here's the battery pack. Jacket's kind of stylish too. The jacket is a 2X. So that's the jacket. Got a little pocket right here to plug it in and zip it in. Oh, be careful. I hit the power button. You can cut the power off to it accidentally. So just FYI. All right, so we got the jacket on. Ooh, kind of fly, ain't it? Kind of clean, ain't it? Ooh, that boy clean. Don't be hating, right? So, got my little button here. Hold it down.
Oh, you think that was a grill?
It works.
Nice.
So these gloves, I don't know if you can see it right here. Maybe you might have to come forward. So it's got a little pouch that these battery packs go in. So you just slide it in. It's got some Velcro. Just Velcro that down. I got my boots on, my boots with the fur. The whole crowd was looking at Bella. All right, now, this is my jacket. This jacket is awesome. It's a leather waterproof from Harley Davidson, the FXRG. 2X, I've had this jacket for maybe a year, 2 years maybe. Mm-hmm. At least 2 years. It's heavy, it's waterproof, and it's warm. And it's not super baggy, so that way when you're in the wind, it's more comfortable. It's not like blowing around. I can put that on, right? So I'm heated up, baby. And then we got the gloves. I will say, guys, this battery pack up here is uncomfortable. I mean, I guess that would be the one of the disadvantages of this kind of cheaper version. These gloves are about $100. But I guess if you got something that wires to your Harley, it's probably gonna be better. But I will tell you guys, that heat gear from Harley and from, I forget the name of the other company that's really popular with heat gear at the moment, but it's really expensive. And if you don't know it, you gotta have fuses and change fuses depending on how many pieces you add. And I may look at something like that down the road. But yeah, here you go. You got the black abominable snowman. Is that right, Bella? Huh? Now, Red Ranger, let's go! Mighty Morphin Power Rangers!
I'm the one that drank the Red Bull.
Right.
I don't know what you drank.
What'd you say about me? Bam! Blue Ranger! Bam! Y'all that like blue, I'm the Blue Ranger. Blue Ranger, full effect. There's more. Oh, wait a minute, but there's more. Green Ranger, baby. You want the Green Ranger? Woo! We morphing, baby. We morphing. Let's go. Woo, Ray, it's warm in this little. Let's go, man. Got all these heat on.
I'm ready to go.
Gotta hit the road.
It's hot.
See you guys, all the things I sacrificed for you guys. Come on, man. You gotta hit that subscribe, that like, everything, man. Send, share, everything. Ain't nobody suffering in all this gear for you. So right now we just got the Chromework slip-ons on, but if you look at that header pipe, you can tell that's the stock heat shield, stock header and all that. And then you can see right here in the back of the truck, we got the Chromeworks full 2-in-1 and the 2 Dominator system. So we're gonna put the full system on there. Of course, y'all know we're gonna do the Impact Wiring Solution, and we're gonna do the BBT cam.
Well, I'm hot anyways. But
You want to plug it up in the truck?
yeah, you can. But I'm gonna shed the vest because
Yeah, no sense having it on.
yeah. Look at it.
I like it.
It looks better when I have no shirt on. Here, let me just throw that in the truck.
Okay.
Actually, it's crazy how well that is. Just the vest is helping keep you warm.
Just having it on.
Yeah, just having
Yeah,
it on.
anytime you wear a vest, really,
Yeah,
it helps. It's got that core heat.
Yeah. I'm ready to rock and roll.
Okay.
Do you want to give Dylan the address
Oh, yeah.
just in case we?
All right. Got the kick doors on, y'all. Don't mess with me.
This is gonna be a good fast forward. What do you call those? Like speeded up video, like showing everything y'all are doing.
All right, guys, we all bundled up like the bum of the snowman, and we ready to go hit the road for a rain. Hopefully, you don't freeze.